Alright, on this unboxing video, I'm going to be doing Daitoshokan no Hitsujikai. It's first press edition limited premium pack. It's like the first press edition that comes with more extras than it normally does in the standard pack. Anyway, yeah, it's also known as a good librarian, like a good shepherd. So yeah, let's crack this open. Well, first it comes with this. It's looks like a signboard, just like the, yeah, oops, that'd be bad if I dropped. It's labeled 125 2013. I think this is like a main character of it. It's actually kind of like the Ayoko no Yusuke one I had. There we go. This one right here. The frame got made for me myself. It didn't come with the frame. So maybe I'll have a frame made for that one as well. They're both August titles. So, I mean, I don't know if like August did this with the Oake. It was like a pre-order bonus or something like that. But I didn't get it one for Yoake, so it's kind of a bummer. It's sealed with cellophane. It'll probably remain like that. Okay. It's separated into like 3 sections. I would imagine that this right here is like the extras. This is the game, and this is the art book. So I guess I'll start with the extras. Oh, oops. It comes in this plastic thing that I hold it all together. A lot of visual novels I've been getting are doing that. Anyway, yeah, let's start with the extras, I guess. This is the top. This is the bottom. This is the side. This is the other side. This is the front. And this is the back. Kind of bland on the back. Anyway, okay. Open it up. Alright. Okay. This appears to be this appears to be a Dakimakura of the main character. At least I think it's the main character. I'm not sure. I don't really know much about this game, but it means the character is front and center in the box, so I'm guessing that she's the main character. It also comes with looks like 2 figurines. I think they're called Nenoroids. Petites. I mean, that's what it says in the box. And I don't think you can see that. There's my webcam cowl, and so forth. Anyway, crack this open. Steady hand. That wasn't a steady hand. Hopefully didn't damage the box at all. I would kind of suck if it did. Alright. Not in a second. Alright. Okay, I'm guessing these are stands for the Nenoroids. I've never had these before, so I'm not like really aware of how they work. I guess I don't know. Yeah, to be honest, I'm clueless about this. Here's the first one. Yeah, I don't know. It's like they get plastic things to guard her hair, I guess. I guess it's like moving. And like, I don't know. It's very weird. Good grief, how much plastic is in these things? I hope I'm okay. It's okay for me to remove these, otherwise it kind of suck. Alright, yeah. Those are the first one. Sorry it's taking so long. Go! I'm done. Okay. Alright. Okay. So, it appears that I stick this thing out. It appears like this is her hair, I guess. Like this is her, so I guess I just snap this back of her head, I guess. Looks right to me. So, yep, that's the second one. I guess they just go on the back of these things and it's like, whatever. Yeah, I don't know what I'll do with this. Okay, so also hidden in the bottom of this, it looks like it's hidden. Background, looks like a soundtrack, background music. There's the CD itself. And then it also comes with CG artwork. There's a caution label, making it so I can't open it until I take the caution label off. It's like, is it going to be like some horrendously terrible thing? No, it's just like some dense little CGs and stuff like that, so it's not that big of a deal. Yeah, so it's just not an art book. Though, as I've said in the past, I also love art books, so it's always a nice touch. So there was the art book, the Dakimakura, the CD, the little figures, and I think this is a pre-order bonus, which is a little signature board. Anyway, okay. I'm guessing the only difference between the premium pack and the standard pack is that the standard one didn't come with that extra box, which would make sense as to why there's two different art books, one in that box and one that isn't. So this is the front of the other art book. It matches the case. Got just the art you'd normally see, really. August art is always really good. I've always loved August's first press editions because they like really go the extra mile. Now look, there's the front, side, back, other side, top, bottom, bottom. Crack from the game, and here's the game disc. And then you got the user manual. Anyway, that appears to be it. There's an advertisement for Yoake, Ayoku no Yustia, Fortune Artero, pretty much all games I own. Okay, well, thanks for watching. I'd say the most memorable part of this was the figures and the Dakimakura and all the art books. So, yeah, thanks for watching.